Thank you for your interest in our current open position. In this following video, we're going to show you how to complete our application the best way possible in order for you to be an eligible candidate. So please go ahead and watch this video till the end so you go ahead and complete the application correctly. So what you're going to see here, you're going to be sent to our application page. Okay, these are some of our advertisers. But where you're going to go ahead and click on the Get Started button. Okay, and you're going to simply answer these questions as honestly as possible. Okay, so some of these are going to be, irrelevant to you, to the position that you're applying for the customer service position, but you still need to answer them in order to actually proceed and submit your application. So, this first question is going to ask you, how much would you like to make? Okay, so you go ahead and choose any of the amounts that you'd actually be interested in. Okay, you're going to click continue. Then right here, how many hours are you willing to work per week? Okay, and I would say 15 plus, depending on your schedule. And when can you begin? You could do today or next week are the best possible answers. So I'm gonna click today. And do you have any basic typing skills? This is really irrelevant. It doesn't matter if you put yes or no, but it does help. Okay, so you go ahead. I'm gonna put yes. Click continue. And are you able to do this on the weekends? And it depends on you. If your schedule allows it, go ahead and click yes. If it doesn't, go click no. Okay, so I'm gonna click yes because I like working on the weekends. And it's going to take you to another page where you're going to go ahead and create your account in order to log in and see your application process. Okay, so right here you're going to submit your first name, the best contact email that you have. Okay, confirm that email, and then the best contact phone number that you have. Okay, and then you're going to click on this bubble here and you create your free account. Okay, once you do this, an application will be submitted, and a hiring manager will contact you in the next 24 hours or maybe sooner, and they will conduct an over the phone interview, and if needed, an in-person interview. Okay, so thank you for watching. I wish you the best and have a great day.